my property.
We're trying to
no,
make...
you know what? Get the fuck off my goddamn property. Bye-bye. One, you know what? I will count to 3 and I will be fucking liable for every fucking goddamn step. 1,
come talk to us.
2. Alright, bye-bye, Felicia's.
Ma'am, come talk to us.
No, you know what? There's no guy.
Ma'am,
It's your
come talk
fucking
to us.
foot. You want to fucking play your shit? No.
Ma'am.
No, I didn't fucking touch you. No, you know what? I didn't fucking touch you. No, you know what? You fucking play that shit on my fucking... You know what? You know what? I didn't fucking play none of that fucking shit. It's fucking you. You know what? You fucking play that shit.
Stop.
No, it's fucking...
Stop.
Chill out.
You get the fuck... I didn't fucking do anything. Dude, I didn't fucking do anything. Dude, I didn't fucking do anything. You gave it... I didn't fucking do anything. You did. I didn't fucking do anything.
Then stop resisting. Did she actually bite you or no?
I didn't do anything. You gave up my goddamn property. I didn't fucking do... Fuck off! I didn't do anything. You know what? I didn't fucking do anything. Fuck you, bitch. I didn't fucking do anything on my goddamn property. I didn't fucking do anything. You know when the fucking property fucking...
Can we unlock it?
Yeah.
You know what the fucking property fucking goddamn fucking injury.
Watch your
Fucking
hand.
injury
Your
shit.
hand's gonna pop out.
They won't fucking show that shit. They didn't fucking do shit. Fuck you, bitch. They didn't.
We got the shirt
I
on?
didn't do shit. You did
I was
shit.
trying to put your arm up, not her.
I didn't do shit.
Can we get up
You
up on the
did.
reach and get on the shirt again?
I didn't do shit. It was you, bitch. It was fucking you. I didn't do shit. Fuck you. It's my gun. Damn my gun. Fuck you, fucking apple. It was fucking you. I fucking did it. Get the fuck out of my goddamn fucking garage.
Ma'am.
Stop.
Fuck you. Get the fuck out of my goddamn garage. Fuck you. Fuck you, bitch asshole.
Cuffs out.
Come on, fucking...
Stop fighting. I got her.
You fucking did! Fuck you! I don't fucking stop! I didn't do it! Was you! I didn't do it! You fucking did it!
Did you get bit that time?
I fucking did it!
You see that? Yeah, she got you good. You need an ambulance? You ready?
How bad is it? Did she get your arm on the other time? I seen her trying to get you that time.
No. I feel like I'm gonna pass out.
You feel like you're gonna pass out? All right, I'll get Maddie on the way.
I gotta go pee first, please.
All right.
I can't cut you.
Just see where you're at then.
Listen, do you have hepatitis
You think-
A, anything like that?
You think you're gonna pass out from the fight or from probably 2 times later?
You wanna get him on the ground?
Make that code 3, please, for the ambulance.
Let's get him, bro.
She secure?
Yeah.
Well,
you good?
Back.
Just stay on the ground, okay?
Okay.
You passed out.